Hello, so in this video I'm gonna tell you about how you make a long gradient shadow. So without any further ado, let's just jump into it. So the first thing you want to do is make a new file. So it's 1080 times 1080 pixels, and then just create. So the first thing is we want to change the background color to black, and now we want to type by pressing T. Type everything you want. For here I'm using the word Photoshop, and change the font to whatever you want. I'm using Montserrat Black. So just adjust it by pressing Ctrl T and adjust it to whenever you want it, and then press enter. And then for the layer, you can right click and convert to smart object, and then double click on it to change the layer style on the gradient overlay. For me, I'm going to choose the first one is blue and the second one is cyan. Press OK and then press OK. So the next thing I want to do is using the rectangular marquee tool, and then just drag it like this. So after that we want to Ctrl J to copy the layer, and then Ctrl T to transform it and drag it by holding shift to the bottom. And then from the layer we want to convert to smart object again by pressing right click and then convert to smart object. And then we want to go to the filter, blur, motion blur. You can adjust it to whatever distance you want, and the angle for this is -90 degrees. So after this you want to copy the layer 2 times by pressing Ctrl J and then holding shift and drag it up and convert to smart object. We want to use the layer mask at the bottom, and then go into the brush tool, make sure it's on black to conceal, and then just drag it like this. Make sure the opacity you're using is 50% or below that, and then just do it like this. And that's all you want to do to make a gradient shadow. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, stay creative.